welcome to Kare After Family Health and Wellness Expo. What are you displaying today?
See, mine is Rescue, all rescue remedies range. Rescue Plus, rescue remedy for pets, rescue remedy for women, men, it's everyone. It's rescue works for everyone and rescue spray, everything.
So how's this Josh?
Very, very nice.
What are you looking forward to today?
Basically, what is Bachelor? People are not aware about Bachelor. Bachelor is about, where our body, mind and soul are in harmony. A lot of diseases get cured. This is the only remedy which deals completely with our emotions, and it can be given to newborn babies and pregnant ladies. Totally natural without any chemicals.
We are looking forward to it.
Thank you so much.
So Ishita, how's the Josh for Kare After Family Health and Wellness Expo?
It's great and it's lovely coming here and putting up my stamp and showing it to the family. It's for the whole family. This has everything for everyone in my store. We have a pure aloe vera, rose water gel, especially it's a summer savior. It works amazing. Aloe vera is a very good cooler for the summers, and with that I have made a rose water with aloe vera. Then this is my organic aloe vera gel cold compressed. Then we have a pain relieving balm specially, that is with aloe vera. That is our next product.
So what are you looking forward to, all the panelists that are coming? Like what is that one session that you are really looking forward to?
So it's especially for the women, so I would like to listen what the messages they want to give and the awareness program which they are going to give us. So I'm really looking forward to it.
Thank you and all the best. Welcome to Kare After Family Health and Wellness Expo. What are you displaying today?
So first, parents is the ultimate gifting solution for baby showers and hospital visits. We always think कि mother को क्या दे? बिल्कुल. We give things, return करना है, toys देना है. But now you can give solutions, wisdom and knowledge. A mother can do a pregnancy very smoothly, like breastfeeding classes, Jaffa nutrition, personalized journals, which she can use from the access of her home. So everything is online. You have this beautiful hamper box where you can put anything you want and make her journey the smoothest as possible.
So how's the Josh for today's event?
Very high.
And any particular session that you're looking forward to today?
I'm looking forward to the session of Chansal Agarwal, because she's talking on fertility, which is connected to my entire space.
So all the best and we're going to rock it today. So Meena, welcome to Kare After Family Health and Wellness Expo. What are you displaying today?
So we have a lot of mini stuffs here. For example, healthy natural seed cookies, gluten-free crackers along with the dips, and chocolate bars, milk brownies.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. So and it's all made from raw sugar. So refined sugar free and really good to taste.
So how's the Josh for today's event?
Super. And we recommend people coming and trying, all my stuff.
And any particular session that you're looking forward to?
Yeah, all the doctor session. Yeah, Dr. Siodia session, Dr. Rishikesh Kumar session, and Piyush Goyal.
So all the best.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Prabha, welcome to Kare After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
No words.
Any particular session that you're looking forward to for today?
No Ayurveda session.
Ayurveda session. So am I. It's going to be really exciting, something new and exciting.
Exactly.
For sure. So what should somebody come and pick up from your store?
See, basically Radhika, everything one can pick up. This is the thing, this is organic Mithika Vadawa. Then you can see the teas which are all are health-oriented. And then you can see the color of the olive oil also. This is the premium olive oil which you will not get in the regular market. So they are basically everything, all the millet, raw peanuts. So I think it's everything you can
All healthy.
for the
Yes,
health.
absolutely.
Holistic basket is something where you will not find, in the name of organic also, you will not find white maida, white sugar and processed oil. And it is a challenge we have to do. Many can find maida, white salt, vaisa wala. So they can pick anything from the store. Without sugar.
So if you are coming here, you have to come to Prabha's for all the holistic classes.
Thank you.
Welcome to Kare After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
Hi, very high.
Any particular session that you are looking forward to for today from the panelists?
Of course, I want to enjoy all the sessions. Each one is like pretty informative, and my product support sessions. We are into resonate, no colors and no flavors.
How was your impression after meeting all the members?
Amazing. Each one has a unique product, and I would suggest everyone to have a look at them, promote them, use them, and be chemical free.
All the best. Welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
I am so blessed to be part of this cafe, Career After Family. I have got so many golden chances. I have completed my dream. I have completed Vemba. From there, I dream come to my. I want to manufacture this oil. And
ये आप क्या आज आप क्या स्टॉल लगा?
ये बादाम का तेल है
जी।
बादाम का तेल प्योर ऑर्गेनिक जी 100% एडिबल। हाँ ये मैंने वेम्बा में शुरू किया है। आई एम ऑलरेडी ऑनर ऑफ गर्ल्स गेस्ट हाउस विच आई एम रनिंग लास्ट 10 years।
Congratulations।
हाँ एंड दिस 21st March I have launched this blessed to be part of Vemba and Vemba has made my dream come true।
Yeah. So how is what panelists are you looking forward to आज? जैसे हमारे panelists आने वाले हैं, ऐसा कोई particular panelist है जो आप सुनना चाहेंगे?
I am interested in all of it।
बिल्कुल।
कुछ ना कुछ सीखने किसी से भी कुछ करो सीखने
But that is what Career After Family is all about. You are learning every single day. What are you looking forward to?
I am looking forward to letting people see what we have, what we are, because organic living is a one-stop solution for zero pesticide, chemical-free and top-quality products. We are Bharat's #1 Gaushala, so you do need to visit us and check us out because I think we're the best.
And how's the Josh?
Very high.
Very high.
Very high.
Any particular panelist that you're looking forward to for today's session? That we have so many multiple sessions that are going
Yes,
to have.
Randeep Moitra, yes, and Neha Fatehpuria, she's a good friend also, so I'm looking forward to meeting her, and many more. I mean, they're lined up, but Dr. Shikha, I'm looking forward to her, but I don't know how well I'll be able to leave my stall and go and check them out. So,
Any special messages for Kavita?
yes, she's doing a fabulous job and connecting so many women all across from the country. I mean, it's really marvelous. I'm really happy to be on this completely.
All the best and rock it.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
So Doc, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
Hi.
Hi. What are you looking forward for today?
So this is my first launch of my Suntown's hair. So initially it was just to my clients. Now I'm moving it into wear. This is the first time I'm launching it on hair.
How's your experience and interaction with the other members of Career After Family?
Yeah, it is great, and there are a lot of awareness regarding the treatment. Now the people are being conscious. We thought it will be a very small criteria, but now we can see how many people are there using services. And the request of our products is no maida, no sugar, and there are all baked. This is all in-house we make, and this is the first time it's for children, old age, or any medical people. They can have these products.
Any special messages to the entire working board of Career After Family who has organized the entire event?
Great initiative has been taken by Kavita, because there are a lot of entrepreneurs who are being there but they didn't find any platform. This is a great platform to showcase their product. Thank you so much.
Thank you and all the best. So Vinita, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
It's wonderful.
And how's your experience interacting with other members of Career After Family?
They are very lovely. They all are coming to my stall. They are interacting with me. They are talking to me. They are asking me about my products. That's which is more important. Like if people know about your products, they will certainly come to me. And my dish is something which very few people will have. I have everything in under one roof, which is cold-pressed oils, which are for hair, skin, and cooking also. I haven't kept the cooking range here. Then I have essential oils, a wide variety of essential oils, and best part is my essential oils are edible. So you can inhale them, they are good for health and skin also. Then I have pure gels also, like turmeric gel, which is good for pigmentation marks, and I have pure aloe vera gel. Then I have pure rose water also. Again, my rose water is edible too. And I'm making, recently I started making some powders also for hair care packs like amla, shikakai, muleti. Muleti people just know that sardi khasi ke liye अच्छा है, but I can assure you that muleti, pigmentation marks, sunburns, इसको भी reduce करता है.
So any special panelists that you're looking forward to in today's event?
I'm looking for something health and I heard about the BLCC that I'm looking forward to attend.
Any special messages you want to give to Kavita and her entire team who's working so hard?
They work tirelessly, endlessly to make this a success.
Yes.
So this is something which we, as you know, as a single person, I could not have even dreamt of, organizing. First of all, the venue is lovely, wonderful, in the heart of the city, and it is so cool, and I've got very lovely vibes from here. I told her as soon as I entered, I said, "मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It's very peaceful, very happy, very lovely." And secondly, they've taken all steps, even the minutest details they've kept in mind. So this cannot happen until and unless your team is very strong. So this is what I want to tell you. Kudos to you all and keep rocking.
Yeah, congratulations and all the best and
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to Kare After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
Too much. so excited about it.
And how's the experience of setting up the stall and interacting with the entire group of women who are working tirelessly for this expo?
It's great. It's been great because I can really see the entire excitement over here. Everyone moving around, with full enthusiasm, showcasing their craft, their creativity, their talent. Women getting an opportunity to showcase their talent is one of the biggest things because everyone needs a platform, and Cafe provides us this platform where we can actually expose ourselves. We all need some appreciation, and Cafe gives us that appreciation. So thank you so much, Cafe.
What are you displaying?
So we are doing art therapy workshop in collaboration with Srishti Art Gallery, and I'm Neha from Creative Cradle, and we will be doing art therapy. We believe art speaks emotion. There are certain emotions which is deep inside us which we can't say, but art helps us to explain everything. So we will be doing a therapeutic session. Different arts like mandala art, we have water painting, we have calligraphy, we have lots of other things also which we will be doing.
Any panelists that you are looking forward to for today's event?
I think everyone. So much excited to hear from everyone because we all need. So I think whatever we need, we are getting it over here. One stop place for everything.
So all the best and rock it. Yes.
Thank you.
So Anu, welcome to Kare After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
Too excited, super high.
Super high. How did you like the entire setup that Kare After Family Health?
Very well organized, and everything is prim and proper, and all the facilities are also there for us to put up the stores, and we are expecting a lot of loads of people to come, and it's going to be it's an event where women are all supporting each other, and it's going to rock it.
Absolutely. Any special panelists that you are looking forward to for the speakers who are going to come?
I would like to hear everyone because they are extremely good and very well esteemed.
Yes.
But my stall is there, so I cannot leave it.
So what are we looking forward to from your stall today?
See, I have natural hair color, which is made naturally with natural herbs. It's henna based and it's totally safe for the skin and no chemicals whatsoever. And there is amla candles and amla blush. You know the benefits of amla, which is a superfood of India. And there is one absolutely green, chemical-free floor cleaners, any versatile cleaners made out of bioenzymes. And they are absolutely chemical-free, and you should incorporate such chemical-free life into your lifestyle. So we are helping you to start this journey.
It's so important.
Yes,
So important. So all the best and rock it today.
Thank you.
तो आज आप क्या लेके आए?
मैं hair and skin care products हैं, organic है, natural from health, plant based है, stable plant based है, और they are chemical free.
तो हाँ, आज आप पैनलिस्ट में क्या देखना आप इसका सुनना चाहते हैं वो भी पैनलिस्ट आज
मैं फाइनलिस्ट में सुनना चाहूँगी रीनू अग्रवाल का एंड वन मोर विकास कपूर. आई नो द पर्सनली
कोई स्पेशल मैसेज जो हमारी जो करियर आफ्टर फैमिली की टीम है जिन्होंने पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, जो सारे मेंबर्स जो हैं
उनके लिए तो मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकती, स्पीचलेस. मैंने उनका वर्क, हार्ड वर्क एंड एवरीथिंग इज वेरी मैनेजेबल. और मैं कविता को जानती नहीं थी, लेकिन सी अटेंशन वेरी पर्सनली. मैंने यहाँ के फैमिली मेम्बर सेम बिजनेस में भी एक दूसरे को ग्रो कर रहे हैं, तो ये वाला चीज़ बहुत अच्छा है. और everyone is down the line, so I love that.
ऑल द बेस्ट एंड रॉकिंग फॉर. आज आप क्या लेकर आए हैं?
मैं बेसिकली हेल्दी फूड भी करती हूँ, जिसमें लोगों को न्यूट्रिशन लेने वाला उसमें कुछ लोग ना मीठे का ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, मीठा खाना चाहते हैं, वेट बढ़ जाता है,
मेरा
तेल नहीं खाना चाहते हैं, खाना पड़ जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
तो लेकिन ये मेरे सुपर लड्डू है, सुपर सीड 90 सब्जी लड्डू है.
अच्छा.
जो कि विदाउट घी ऑयल, उसके संग संग इसमें 1% से चीनी, जैगरी और हनी कुछ भी नहीं है, लेकिन ये बहुत मीठे हैं.
ये आप कभी भी खा सकते हैं.
कभी भी खा सकते हैं.
तो कितना खा सकते हैं?
आप डेली में आप 2 से 3 खा सकते हैं.
ओए बाप रे.
आपको खाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
वो लवली. एनी स्पेशल पैनलिस्ट जो आप लुक फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हो आज सुनने में, जो इतने हमारे आ रहे हैं आज गेस्ट?
मैं फैन हूँ नींबू अग्रवाल, बहुत औसम है वो. और पैनलिस्ट में जो कविता जी है और टीचर आ रहे हैं, उनके कविता जी काफ़ी सारे जो लोग आ रहे हैं जो कैफे से करियर को फैन होते हैं, उनसे मैं बहुत रिलेट करती हूँ. मैंने जो DMA का कोर्स किया था उससे मैंने सीखा, उसके बाद मैंने ये अपना वेलनेस फूड जो ब्रांड बनाया है. और न्यूट्रिशन का मेरा प्रोडक्ट है, न्यूट्रिशन का लेके.
ऐसा कोई स्पेशल मैसेज जो आप कविता और जो पूरे बोर्ड मेंबर्स हैं उनके लिए आप देना चाहेंगे?
मेरा मैसेज यही है कि कविता के लिए तो कुछ बोल नहीं सकते, जो है ना उसके लिए दिल से हमेशा कहना करते हैं. और मैसेज ये है कि कोई भी जो भी कुछ करना चाहे ना, तो बस एक बार करने का ठान लो तो आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो. छोटे कुछ भी कर सकते हो, अगर आप करने का ठान लिए तो सब कुछ आप कर सकते हो. बस एक मन में लगन होनी चाहिए कि मुझे ये करना है.
So all the best for today. We have massive sales and I'm looking forward to meeting you again. And happy Laddu. Any special panelists that you are looking forward to hearing today?
Yes, dietitians and nutritionists.
And what are you selling in your store?
We believe in doing things the old way. So we have papads which are traditionally made, sun-dried. We have churans which are traditionally made. Everything is in-house. And the achars we have are exclusive. Some are even without a drop of oil. Like aam ka achar and pyaj ka achar. It does not even have a drop of oil.
Any special message that you want to give to Kavita and the entire team of board members?
Yes, I went through a mishap last month and it was cafe. I was doing Lemba course at that time also, and the entire cafe team was such a support and they were a blessing for me. And I take this opportunity to thank Kavita and the entire team.
So all the best and I'm coming back for your papad and achar for sure. Manoj, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's your feedback? Give us your feedback.
So far so good. The opening has been grand as expected. And we are expecting a grand day for July. Wishing you all the very big success.
Yes.
I'm sure like the first chapter, this chapter is going to be a rocking.
So nice, so nice. How did you like the event so far?
It is really hot.
Yes.
Not because of the sun outside, because of the beauties around. So it is indeed very hot, as you know.
Any particular panelists you are looking forward to?
Of course, I'm looking at the huge preliminaries of the medical fraternity. Dr. Siotia, who happens to be a close friend, Dr. Rishikesh Kumar, we have Dr. Rajiv, we have Dr. Jain, Rahul Jain, and then we have Vikas Kapoor. Yeah, it's a long list, it's a long list. Very difficult to, and I'm sure I would have missed out a few big names. They are all there. I'm really looking forward to the discussion people supporting Kavita and Cafe, it's incredible.
Is there one thing that really impressed you about Career After Family?
Well, it's a teamwork. I mean, how women can do anything, nothing is impossible for them. If they decide, planning, execution, everything led by women, it's just incredible. Hats off to them.
And so, any particular message that you want to give Kavita and the entire team?
Yeah, I think the team should definitely do a lot of stuff the way you all are doing.
Welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How is the Josh?
High.
Very high.
We are actually very excited to be a part of this.
Yes. So you have been a very integral part of the startup.
Yes.
In Career After Family.
Yes.
Can you put some light on it, please?
So Career After Family is actually being a bridge between women and then after family life, and they are encouraging all the women who are working from home to turn into real entrepreneurs. So it was a journey actually from entrepreneur to entrepreneur, then homepreneurs to entrepreneurs. So we are guiding them with a lot of things in startup zone, which is ground floor. So we are explaining them how they can make it legit under the Startup India government, and then how the small businesses which they are doing at home can become a very big organization from where they can also help other women for employment and then to be self-sufficient and all. And we are actually founder partners of this natural organic products.
So what are you selling today? What is your brand all about?
Yeah, this is Mahi Orte. Mahi Orte is for men, women and children. It's absolutely chemical free and even a 2-year child can use it. And these are all natural products, and they are hair oils, aloe vera hair oil, hibiscus hair oil. This is one of a kind of shampoo which you will not get anywhere. This is coconut hibiscus shampoo, not there in the market yet. And then we are having lavender oil, and then pain relief oil, which is very good for menstrual cycles, growing cramps for boys, and mothers don't understand what product should be used for the boys, especially teenagers and all. So our product range caters to man, women and children, especially boys, teenager girls, teenager boys, men who are getting bald after a certain age, and then people are actually looking out for substitutions for tea and all. So these are herbs which are great substitution for teas, and they can give you a lot of relaxation, and it's stress free. All you have to do is just boil water and put it, and in summers you can also have it like coolies.
So how's your experience so far?
Oh, wonderful. This has been wonderful, and I've been associated with Cafe since its inception, from the day it started. So Cafe actually started with 19 women, and today it is all over. Yes. So we are very proud of ourselves, the way we are taking women we are thriving together, growing together. Our motto and mission is to help each other and grow, be it marketing, logistics, products, services and all. So Cafe and Career After Family, kudos to efforts, exemplary efforts, and it is successful because so many women are now entering into businesses and doing their businesses confidently, beautifully. And thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. Thank you, Radhika.
So welcome to Career After Family Health and Expo. How's the Josh?
Very high.
And what is your stall all for?
So we make the with flour. Our brand name is Wasted.
Right.
So we pick up purest made out of barley. तो जो गुड पार्ट होता है बियर का, जो उसका यूज ग्रेन्स होता है, दैट इज 0% फैट एंड 0% शुगर. हम वो ग्रेन्स लेकर ये आटा बूस्टर बनाते हैं, जो आप अपने नॉर्मल आटा में डाल के उसका प्रोटीन एंड फाइबर बढ़ा सकते हो. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इट्स ग्रेट फॉर डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स, बिकॉज आगे लोग जिनको डायबिटीज होता है, आप नॉर्मल स्नैक्स या नॉर्मल रोटीज नहीं खा सकते हो. यू कैन डेफिनेटली ईट देम विद द आटा बूस्टर. सो दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव.
So how's your experience in the cafe so far for today's event?
It's great. So we are not members, but it feels like very welcoming because everyone's come to help us with our stall. Everyone's asking us what is this product, and everyone's very inclusive, which is great.
So why you are not a member as yet?
I think that's the next step.
Yes. So all the best, rocking high, and I'm looking forward for you being a member of Career After Family. Any specific messages that you want to give to Kavita and her team?
This is a superb exhibition. All the best and congratulations.
So welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
I have never seen such an excited group of people. So thank you for inviting me. Thank you so much.
So my first question is, what are we looking forward to hearing from you today?
So I think the discussion is titled Strength After 40, and most of us do not realize that yoga can be used as a great tool to build both flexibility as well as strength. So one must realize how to use yoga. I hope I can share that message with everyone.
What is that one thing that really impressed you when you saw this huge gang of ladies who are like really
Enthusiasm. I've rarely encountered such enthusiasm in any of the events. This is a very enthusiastic group of people. It almost feels like you have come to a first year for college campus. That much excitement.
any messages that you would like to convey to Kavita and her team?
All the best. Please carry on. Do it year after year. I'm blown by the whole concept.
And any one tip from you to all the women out here, which is a must that they should incorporate in their lifestyle?
Please pursue strength in your food, in your diet, in your exercise. Don't pursue weight loss. Most of you look at exercise through the point of view of weight loss. Pursue it with the point of view of strength.
Thank you. Thank you so my first question to you is, how's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
So what have you taken your stall today for?
So I'm at the Healing Zone 99 and I'm doing consultations on nutrition and wellness. I'm here to answer all your dietary queries.
And how is the event going so far for you?
It's amazing. So much of preparation have gone behind the scenes and we can absolutely see how wonderful it is.
How has your experience been so far?
For today,
Yes.
it's amazing.
And as a member of Career After Family?
It is so, I mean, the efforts that goes in, all the women, lovely women coming in together and supporting and pushing each other, nothing can be sexier than this.
Any special message you want to give to Kavita and her entire team who have organized this event?
You are doing a commendable job, Kavita. It is not easy managing a whole herd of women together, bringing them all in at the same page. It's amazing. Keep fixing the crown that you are doing.
Thank you so much. So welcome to Career After Family Wellness and Health Expo, Priyanka. Thank you so much. Tell me, how's the Josh?
How's the Josh? Yes, it's loud and clear and enthusiastic.
And how's your experience so far in the event today?
It's amazing. On dot started and amazing footfall in spite of this 43-degree and heat wave. And lots of people are coming in and it's definitely the way it should be, better than it is.
Yes. How did you like the event so far?
Beautiful, dynamic, different healing zone. Nicely organized and beautifully curated.
And
Yes.
what do you exactly do?
I'm a clinical dietitian, a registered dietitian who help people just not to lose weight, but yes, to build a healthy habit, sustainable habit. And I'm not that food police per se, right? So I'm a clinical dietitian.
And I am her.
Yeah, she is my
Client.
Yes, and a wonderful human being.
So what is that one thing that really impressed you today about Career After Family?
Career After Family, the dedication, the consistency, the way it is organized,
Yes.
curated, and how seamless it is. The whole flow is true. Whole flow is very clear and crisp. That's it. Like
Any message you want to give to Kavita and the team who have organized this entire thing?
Kavita, you rock as always, and I am so happy to be associated with Cafe and want to be part of each and everything you do. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Radhika. Thank you.
So welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How is it going so far?
Amazing. I mean, there is so much to do. I can't even decide where to begin and where to end. It's like, even for the whole day, I'm still going to be short of time.
And how's the Josh?
Absolutely high. As always in all cafe activities, always high.
And what do you do exactly?
I'm an aspiring soft skills trainer. So I was a participant of Runway and this is how I launch. Like we were lucky enough to get a table into the expo and I begin from my journey from here.
So how's your experience so far in Career After Family? And today's event also.
Okay. See, I joined Career After Family 2 years back, and since then it's changed my life and my friends, everything around it. And today is a special day because it's the first time when I'm standing here and speaking as a trainer.
Amazing.
So for me, it's a landmark day, and I hope it's the beginning of a new journey ahead.
Any messages you want to give to Kavita and the entire team who have executed this
For Kavita
event?
and the entire team, it's always love you.
Absolutely.
And always with you in whatever you do.
Thank you and all the best. So Deepika, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. Her counter is smelling divine. What are you selling?
I'm selling handmade soap bars and shampoo bars.
And how did this journey begin?
It actually began during COVID.
Okay.
I saw many videos like stop the use of plastic.
Yes.
So we are into eco-friendly and chemical-free soap bars and shampoos.
And how did Cafe Runway come into the picture?
Actually, my Jathani Anju Pasari is in cafe.
Yes.
So she
Helped
motivated
you out.
me and helped me out to join this.
And how's the Josh for today's event?
I'm completely happy. And the juice is full.
And how's your experience going so far?
It's good. It's good. Everyone is asking about the thing and they are taking interest in it.
And how's your feedback regarding that entire event which has been organized?
It's too good. Very good. Means an event organized by women for the women. It's the best part.
Absolutely. I completely agree with you. Can you give me one feedback? How's your experience in Career After Family?
It's
in
too
the last
good.
2
I'm
years?
learning many things as I'm very young.
Yes.
And there are many experienced people in the field. So I'm learning a lot.
Can you give me a few words that you would like to convey your message to Kavita and the team who have organized this?
Yeah, it's about helping all the women who are sitting at home and doing nothing but want to do something. Yes. So it's a very good platform for them, paying nothing, sitting at home and doing whatever you want to do. So this is the best thing.
Thank you and all the best. So welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. Can you introduce yourself? I don't think you need any introduction because everybody knows you.
So this is Ankit Badani. I'm by profession a CS and advocate, and I'm a founder of a group, North Kolkata Runners. And apart from the founder, I'm also a marathon coach.
So how's your experience been so far at Career After Family's Health Expo?
First of all, I would like to thank and I'm grateful to Cafe for organizing such a big event and having me here. And thank you Cafe for organizing such a great event, and especially women's after a certain age or after marriage, they don't get to go outside and do any other physical activity. So it's like people are coming and just they are taking part. It's a good thing,
ऐसा क्या चीज़ आपको बहुत इम्प्रेस की यहाँ के एक्सपो में?
So one thing is common in my group and in your cafe. In my group, around 70% members are women. And आपके कैफे में 90 to 100% are women. So women's के साथ जब हम लोग रनिंग कर रहे थे, so they have so many questions and उनका पोटेंशियल हम लोग को मालूम नहीं चलता है. जब वो सामने आ रहे हैं, हम लोग को साथ ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, तो मैंने देखा है रनर्स जो 5 किलोमीटर भी जो नहीं कर पा रहे थे वुमेन्स, आज जो हम लोग के साथ 42 किलोमीटर रन कर रहे हैं मैराथन. सो सबको जब तक अगर आप बाहर नहीं आते हो, अगर आप कुछ नहीं करते हो, तो आपका पोटेंशियल क्या आपको नहीं मालूम चलता है. सो वही मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि आप लोग भी जो कर रहे हो तो सब कुछ सामने आ रहा है एंड एवरीवन आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग. दैट्स अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट.
ऐसा कोई एक टिप जो आप सबको देना चाहेंगे?
मैं बस ये बोलना चाहूँगा, आप अगर कोई भी एक्टिविटी, कोई भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी अगर कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, तो आप अपने रूटीन में एक ऐड कर लीजिए. कोई शॉर्ट गोल्स में मत जाइए कि मुझे 6 मंथ्स में वेट लॉस करना है, 1 ईयर में शादी है, मुझे वेट लॉस करना है. इनफैक्ट अपना लाइफ स्टाइल ऐसे कीजिए कि नेक्स्ट 60 ईयर्स आप फिट रहो. तो आप स्टार्ट अगर नहीं किए हो तो आप अभी कर सकते हो एट एनी एज, एट एनी टाइम.
एनी मैसेज दैट यू वांट टू गिव टू कविता एंड टू करियर आफ्टर फैमिली? ऐसा कुछ आपको लगता है कि for this expo that we have organized?
So before my session, मैंने पूरा एक्सपो देखा 10-20 मिनट्स. तो आई वुड लाइक टू से कि आप ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ और आगे भी ऐसे कुछ करते रहिए. एंड हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस को लेके कभी भी आपको कोई भी चीज़ों को अगर रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, आई एम ऑलवेज देयर इन एनी वे वॉट एवर पॉसिबल फॉर माई साइड. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी हियर and for the wonderful experience.
Thank you so much.
Hi, so I have with me Preeti Jagwani. She is a fashion influencer and she is an event manager. So let's know on her opinion of this entire event.
Hello everyone, and thank you so much Cafe for this beautiful event. It's a very well curated health and wellness event, and many entrepreneurs have been associated with this event, and they are coming up with their products. They are there to serve us, and Cafe is always is the best in any of their endeavors. And first of all, I would like to thank Cafe. For me, Cafe has given me the wings to explore my talent, and in 2022 Cafe has given me the event Cafe Pehchan, and right now I am here in front of you as a fashion influencer. And like regarding to this event, I can say this is a one of a kind event where you can connect with the people who are related to health, wellness, fitness, yoga. Their runners are there, doctors are there, and these what can I say, who are into food, who are into healthy food are there. So I really looking forward to, and I'm requesting you all to come here and attend this event. Thank you.
And is there any specific session which you're looking forward to, Preeti?
So I have never gone through numerology. Like many of my friends have asked me to join this numerology sessions. So today definitely I am going to attend this numerology session.
Hi, so I have Richa Agarwal with me. She runs catering business from her home, and she does amazing, and she makes amazing food. So we have Richa with us. She is also a volunteer for the event. So let's know Richa's opinion on this event.
थैंक यू शीतल. इस इवेंट से बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिला है, काफ़ी चीज़ की जानकारी मिल रही है. हेल्थ रिलेटेड जो इश्यू होता है, मेरी मॉम को, डैड को, उनको मैंने बुलाया है. वो लोग अपना प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे आके सेटिस्फाइड हुए सर्विस लेके. तो यहाँ पे जो सर्विस हम मेरी डॉटर्स लोग, मेरी मदर एंड फादर सब ले रहे हैं, वो लोग बहुत सेटिस्फाइड है उनके सर्विस से. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. थैंक यू.
एंड कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक सेशन जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा, या आप जिसके बारे में लोगों को बोलना चाहेंगे कि ये मस्ट है हर किसी के लिए और उन्हें ज़रूर देखना चाहिए? तो
यहाँ का जो न्यूरोथेरेपी सेशन हो रहा है वो बहुत यूज़फुल है. वो सेशन अटेंड करने से काफ़ी चीज़ का आइडिया हो रहा है. थैंक यू.
So Chanchal, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
Hi, sir. Rather very high, sir.
So how did you like the event?
What's your good name?
Radhika.
So Radhika, I'll just say one sentence for that. अपने लिए कौन काम करता है? हर कोई करता है. दूसरों के लिए कौन काम करता है? Cafe. So a very big thanks to Cafe, and I'm really glad that I'm here today because I can see that people are not only working for self but working for others. It's not the crab race where you're pulling the other person down. It's the helping hand that you are stretching out to pull the other person up. So अगर आप एक को ऊपर उठाते हो तो आप एक को नहीं 1000 को ऊपर उठाते हो, क्योंकि उसके संग न जाने और कितने लोग जुड़े होते हैं. So this is a great work that Cafe is doing. The team members, the enthusiasm, the hand-in-hand work is great, and my best of wishes with them.
How was your experience interacting with all the members? Like the questions that you got on acupressure, and how was your experience on that?
Radhika, one more thing I'll say. This is not only about the interaction with one individual person who asked me the questions. It is about every team member who is doing their work, and I can see they are too good in it. They are perfect. They are sincere. Starting from the volunteer who is helping me to the person who is on the registration desk. So everyone is dedicated in their work.
Any message that you would love to give Kavita and the entire team who has organized this? To all of us.
There's only one message I'll give to Kavita and the whole team. Jodi tor ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে. So you are not ekla. You have the whole team behind you. तो आप जो एक आदमी कर सकता है, आप 1000 से ज़्यादा काम कर सकते हो. So again, best wishes.
Thank you so much. Priyanka, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo.
It's my pleasure to be here actually.
How's the Josh?
Oh, don't ask, it's too high to even express.
How did you like the event?
so nicely done. I can see like as soon as you enter, it's actually like an expo, nothing less than a international standard. When I entered, I saw there's a registration desk, and I went little ahead and I saw a talk show happening. There is an expo there, then is health expo here. It's like
Healing which is happening.
healing happening. Then there's a career counseling. It's so well organized, this
Yes.
place. In fact, I asked one of my chairpersons see how it is organized. This is a very professional way of organizing an event like this. Yeah.
What growth have you seen in yourself after joining Career After Family?
I think I am more helping towards women. I like to reach out. I have a lot of josh to work. I see women aging 60, 65, starting their career that
Oh my
I get
God, amazing.
I get a lot of encouragement coming here. I feel that I can do it.
One message that you would love to give Kavita and the entire team
Kavita,
for this expo.
Kavita, you're amazing. Thank you for organizing something like this. And without traveling abroad, I can experience this here in India and Calcutta. Please keep doing this and keep involving new people every time, because we all are learning from you.
Welcome Payal to Career After Family Wellness and Health Expo. How's the Josh?
The Josh is super high, super high. 2 months of hard work is come to fruition today. Cafe is my family, outside family. I love them. I've been with them for 4 years now, and many more. And we are looking forward to many such great events in the future. Thank you.
What changes have you seen in members who have joined Cafe and the progress that they have been over a year?
There are many changes, Radhika. I would say many of them with our different programs like Runway, with the Vemba, the Mic. So they have grown so much in confidence by leaps and bounds.
And they've launched brands.
Brands, exactly. They've launched their brands.
Any message that you would love to give Kavita?
Kavita, we love you. I'm not going to say I love you, because I'm sure it's coming from each one. We love you.
Doc, welcome to Career After Family Health and
so
Wellness
much.
Expo. How's the Josh?
Josh is full on.
So what was your first reaction when you got the call about this
No, this is a very
event?
beautiful. Miss Kavita called me,
Yes.
and she had told me about the previous career activity which she had organized.
Yes.
And coming here, I can see like it's a very well organized. And being a male gynecologist, I'm feeling really privileged to be here in front of all of you.
We are very privileged that you are here. So, Doc, what are you going to talk about today?
Our main topic will be on 2 PCOS, which is very common nowadays, and second will be we'll talking about menopause.
Okay.
These
Yeah,
two are the
that
very
is also very
important topics.
Any message that you would like to give to Career After Family, since it's an all-woman organization?
Yeah, I think they are doing a very well for women empowerment.
Yes.
So I think everyone should come here at least once and see if they have any. They might find some career opportunities for themselves. if they
Absolutely,
find. So it's a very nice.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you so much. So, what was your reaction when you heard that we are calling you for the expo?
First I was surprised, then I was very delighted to get the opportunity to the stage to talk and know that such a new thing is you guys are coming up with, because this is first time any career expo is been organized, and thank you for taking the initiative.
So what are you going to talk about today?
I talked about egg freezing because IVF तो सब करवा रहे हैं, but now egg freezing के साथ साथ donors का भी बहुत ज़्यादा IVF में donor eggs का बहुत आ रहा है because of late marriages. So I thought donor eggs को avoid करने का एक ही solution है if we freeze the eggs in the right time. So I came up with this topic and I profoundly felt that कि मेरी mother तो मेरे को 30 साल में शादी के लिए हाँ बोल दी, लेकिन वो ये बताना भूल गई कि बेटा 30 साल में शादी करना is not problematic. बट अगर सही टाइम में आप फैमिली प्लानिंग नहीं कर रहे हो तो यू कैन फेस सम हर्डल्स एट द टाइम ऑफ यू वांट टू गेट प्रेग्नेंट. सो आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग द इनिशिएटिव क्योंकि कई माओं को ये आइडिया नहीं है कि उसके.
So what was that one thing that really impressed you about Career After Family? I mean, just coming here to the expo and just seeing everything.
Getting to know कि इतना सारा events, bringing all the doctors, so many doctors, orthopedic, cancer, gynecologist, IVF centers, food and wellness, acupuncture, so many platforms in a single platform. That is the first time I have ever seen. Yeah.
Any message that you would like to give to Career After Family members and to the women who are out there?
Any woman, I would like to say, join Career After Family. It is a very good platform with very, very nice member. Kavita ji is very nice. Anju Di is very nice. And to all the women, like that is the message. And for Career After Family, very, very good.
Are you going to join?
After 35 years.
No, you have to join now.
If I am allowed to join, I can join.
Yes, you are allowed. Neha, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo.
Thank you, Radhika. Thank you.
How's the Josh?
Superb. Okay.
So tell me something, your input as an expert for Expo.
So this is an amazing show put up by Career After Family, where they've got a lot of people together to make people aware that how much healing, holistic world, spirituality, mindfulness is helping people, and in today's stressful time, this is the only way we can survive. Amazing show put up, and we are as expert in this field since 12 years, 13 years. We are here to guide people to how to take this ahead and how can healing help you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
What is that one thing that really impressed you about Career After Family?
So Career After Family, basically when we think everything is an end, that is where career starts. And career doesn't mean earning, it means feeling very productive. So I feel Career After Family is the perfect place where people, and especially women, can have this ground set that there is a career, that there is a productivity set for you after your family as well.
How can Career After Family benefit from you? Like, what do you do?
So basically, I am a holistic guide, spiritual teacher, and I am in this world since 10 years now, teaching people and also guiding them. So when you feel that I am not seeing any solution in life, that is where I feel there is a lock ka key available. So my mantra is always there is a key to every lock. So whenever you feel blocked, you can always come and maybe give a call to me to feel motivated, and we are there. Yeah.
She has always had a lot of keys, my keys.
Always, always. Thank you so much. And
you.
it's an amazing show. Yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kavita, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo.
Thank you.
How's the Josh?
Hi, very high.
How are you feeling that you have actually executed such a huge event?
So it's a teamwork, and I must say that the entire cafe team is magical. यहाँ कुछ मैजिक हो जाता है, एंड इतने बड़े इवेंट पूरा इन हाउस डिज़ाइन हुआ है. लाइक एवरी क्रिएटिव, एवरी सिंगल पोस्टर दैट यू आर सीइंग, एवरी फ्लेक्स जो आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ सब एक ऑल वुमेन टीम मिलकर की है. सो which is amazing.
I want your feedback on the startup zone that you have created here.
So cafe is for women. Do you want me to hold it? Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
So cafe में हमारा मोटो मेन यही है कि हम वुमेन को अपस्किल करके होम मेकर से होमप्रेनर्स बनाएं या एंटरप्रेनर्स बनाएं. तो उस जर्नी में स्टार्टअप जोन इज़ अ जोन जहाँ पे हम करियर गाइडेंस दे रहे हैं, करियर क्लैरिटी दे रहे हैं, करियर काउंसलिंग दे रहे हैं सब वुमेन को कि वो क्या कर सकती हैं. उसके लिए लाइसेंसिंग जोन है, FSSAI लाइसेंस जोन है, एक्सपर्ट्स है, 1:1 एक्सपर्ट सेशंस है जहाँ एक्सपर्ट अपनी एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस दे रहे हैं, एंड बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स आए हैं विद वेरियस करियर ऑप्शंस इन हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस. सो जिन लोगों को इस सेक्टर में करियर एस्टैब्लिश करना है, इससे बेहतर जगह और नहीं हो सकती. आज अंडर वन रूफ एवरीथिंग इज देयर. So
why should someone join Career After Family?
Career After Family is a place जहाँ आप अगर अपने आप को अपस्किल करना चाहते हैं, हम सब के साथ ऐसा होता है कि शादी के बाद, बच्चों के बाद एक करियर ब्रेक आ जाता है. तो दिस इज़ अ प्लेस वेयर यू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स. कोई जज नहीं करता है आपको. आप बहुत कंफर्टेबली अपनी लैंग्वेज में अपने लोगों के बीच में बैठकर सीखते हैं. आप वो सीखकर आगे बढ़ते हैं, एंड हम आपकी हैंड होल्डिंग करते हैं कि आप कैसे अपने आप को नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे एज अ बिजनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर एस्टैब्लिश कर सकते हैं. सो आप सभी जो करियर आफ्टर फैमिली के मेंबर्स बनना चाहते हैं, मोस्ट वेलकम, एंड दिस इवेंट इज़ अ बिग सक्सेस, एंड congratulations to the entire team.
Yes. Any one message that you would like to give to Kavita?
So Kavita, you are truly magical, and honestly I haven't seen somebody like you. बहुत आपके अंदर बहुत टैलेंट है. from where have you got this? This is a blessing from God, and you have been helping so many women. And दिल से हम सभी आपको बहुत पसंद करते हैं, and we love you, Kavita, and thank you for always being there.
And thank you.
Thank you, Radhika. Thank you so much.
So Shruti, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
Yeah, it's good. I'm really liking it because I can see more and more people. I thought ki people will not come because of the heat outside, but I can see more and more people coming, and we are really very enthusiastic.
Oh, superb. I'm so happy to hear this.
Yes.
So how's your experience right now, like when you're meeting people?
Yeah, people are very inquisitive. They want to know more and more about pranic. Many pranic. Actually, I'm from pranic healing.
Right.
Yeah, and I can see many pranic healers are here who are coming. Yeah, who are coming to our stall. They want to take healing. They want their near and dear ones to get introduced to pranic healing, and of course, they are also loving it.
So I'm someone who has never done pranic healing.
Okay.
So why would anybody come to you? Why should I come to you for pranic healing?
Okay. So pranic healing is a no touch, no drug therapy. Okay.
Right.
It has no side effects. So prana, what is prana? Prana is life force. So by the help of this pranic healing, we can, and you can also, after learning, heal any ailments. So allopathy, it has a side effect. Okay, so homeopathy takes time, but pranic healing, from the first healing you will understand that your disease, whatever you have, will be healed. But again, I would like to mention that it is not to remove the medical science, it is just to complement.
So what was that one thing that really impressed you when you are at this expo?
I see the people are very positive, and they want to learn, and they want to know.
And how well is the entire expo executed?
It is very well executed. I'm really loving it, and it is really, really very fantastically executed.
Any one message that you would love to give to the entire family of Career After Family?
So I would love to attend more and more.
Would you like to be the member of Career After Family?
Maybe.
Yes, there's not maybe, you have to.
Okay. Thank you.
So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And how's your experience? आपने घूमा है expo? आप अभी घूमे?
No, but I have seen the chart and the program schedule, which is quite elaborate and it's quite big. I attend CII, FICCI and others also, but it is quite bigger than that.
Yes. Any feedback when you see this entire Career After Family doing an expo like this?
The entrance is quite good, and ambience, and it's a very, very big affair.
Yes. Any message that you would like to give Kavita and the entire team who have endlessly worked so hard to for this expo?
I think just keep it continuously doing something like this every quarter or every 6 months.
Absolutely, absolutely. What about you?
I am there always with Kavita, helping her around in every expo, every program she's doing. Yeah.
What growth have you seen in members and over the years when people
I'm seeing growth is growing by leaps and bounds. It is growing.
Thank you so much. So Anju, how's the Josh?
Oh, it's too good. Amazing.
And when you see so many people turning up for this expo, what is that one feeling that comes to mind?
Women have become so alert. They don't want to sit at home right now. They want to work. And the best part about women is that they can work at home and outside home.
What is that one panelist that you are looking forward to hearing to today, or panelists?
My favorite, Dr. Anjan Siotia and Dr. Rishikesh Kumar.
Wow. What is the feedback that you are getting from everybody who is visiting this expo, the health expo?
They feel that it's like one roof. They are getting so many institutions, so many workshops, so many best of the best doctors.
Yes. A lot of advisors also.
Advisors, yeah.
So what is that one message that you would love to give Kavita and to the entire team, including you obviously, because you have been working tirelessly?
Kavita, the thought that which came to her mind, it have been a small thought of starting something for women, but now it is catching up like wildfire.
What growth have you seen in yourself after joining Career After Family?
Lot of confidence. Yes, confidence to do anything. There's no looking back. There's no looking
That's
back.
career after family.
Yes, that is career. It's given so much of power. देखो power is always there. Women है तो उसमें power है ही, शक्ति होती है. But that realization of that shakti came only after joining cafe.
बिल्कुल. And the unity.
And the unity, yeah. Cafe is so united. Anyone is ready to do anything.
Why should anybody join career after family?
करियर आफ्टर फैमिली को ज्वाइन करने के बाद ही आपको अपने स्ट्रेंथ्स का और वीकनेसेस का पता चलता है. यू आर सिटिंग एट होम, you are doing household work, or you at the most you are going to an office, but you don't realize what potential you have. Once you join career after family, then only you will realize your potential, the true self. Yeah, so much opportunity is there. You are leading so many projects here. You are made the leader, even if you haven't headed anything. But once you get the opportunity, you are completely into it. So that's the power of cafe.
So thank you, Anju. Thank you so much for your so much positive feedback.
I have with a beautiful lady with me. She is Pushpa Garg, and she is the community partner with this event. So welcome, Pushpa ji. And what is your feeling at this event? Like, how do you feel associated with this Cafe Career Expo?
Actually, I am a member of Cafe group also on WhatsApp, but I am not that active. But today I have come as an editor and member of IWC.
Okay.
I mean Inner Wheel Club of Calcutta Metropolitan.
Okay. So what do you feel? How long, how can this career expo can benefit people who are related to health, wellness and fitness here?
I know many members of Cafe, and they are doing so well.
Yeah.
They are very hardworking, and I think the president is Kavita Agarwal, and she's the main inspiration. And she is wow, she is absolutely.
Yeah, thank you so much, Pushpa ji, and we love to have you here, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, ma'am, hi, welcome to this event. So, how do you find this event?
It's very exciting and it's very enterprising. And जो health और wellness के लिए आप सब कर रहे हैं, that is so amazing. एक counter is like speaking for itself. मैंने कुछ ही counters try किए, but everything is so good. Like ऐसे लग रहा है कि इसको पकड़ूं, यहाँ जाऊँ, वहाँ जाऊँ, किधर जाऊँ, like confusion हो रही है कि किसके तरफ ज़्यादा attract हूँ.
मैम प्लीज़ अपने बारे में कुछ आप बोलिए.
मैं अरुणा भानीराम का विकी सोशल सर्विस सेक्टर की प्रेसिडेंट हूँ, और मैं यहाँ एज अ कैफ़े लाइक कविता को हम बहुत सालों से जानते हैं. सो उनका और सरोजी का इनवाइट था, तो हम आए, वैसे भी आए और ऐसे भी आना ही था, क्योंकि इतना अच्छा एक एग्ज़िबिशन हो रहा है जहाँ पे हेल्थ और वेलनेस को पूरा कवर किया जा रहा है. सो वही सोच करके बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हाँ आके यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा सबसे मिल के, यहाँ देख के कितने अच्छे सब चीज़ हो रहे हैं, और सबको बहुत बहुत ब्लेसिंग्स कि बहुत आगे बढ़ें, और जितने भी लोग जुड़े हैं वो और 4 गुना बढ़ जाए.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Have you gone through all the counters and stalls there? आपको वो सारे stalls कैसे लगे?
सारे देखी हूँ, वो सब बहुत मुझे अच्छे लगे. अब मैं नीचे वाले stalls देखूँगी.
ऑडिटोरियम में भी चल रहा है, आप वहाँ पे भी देख सकते हो. तो thank you so much, ma'am. Hello everyone. So you can see I have a very beautiful and an amazing lady with me. She is Saroji. She is the one of the pillars. She is the one of the board members. She is the one of the pillars of Cafe. Hi Saroji.
Hello, hi.
And somewhere I always follow her. They all are very humble. I always watch them. I have learned so much from them. So Saroji, and please speak about this beautiful event first of all.
See, Cafe is an event which is the brainchild of our founder Kavita Agarwal, but hard work of 100 members put together. It is an expo जो हम लोग यहाँ पे हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस के ऊपर कर रहे हैं, जिसको आप बहुत सुंदर तरीके से क्यूरेट किया गया है, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से. बेस्ट एमिनेंट डॉक्टर्स आर देयर, बेस्ट एमिनेंट न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, फिटनेस एक्सपर्ट्स, lots of things happening under one roof. Thank you.
Yes, very well said, Saroji. Lots of activities, lots of things are happening under one roof, and we can see the visitors all around. Continue, people are coming. So, what do you think, Saroji? How long and how much this event will benefit people who are related to health wellness?
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोगों ने बहुत कुछ पेश किया है. वी हैव सर्व्ड अ लॉट ऑन अ ट्रे. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन द विजिटर कि वो कितना कुछ लेना चाहता है. अनगिनत सर्विसेज यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. 1-to-1 कंसल्टेशंस अवेलेबल है. 1-to-1 हीलिंग सेशंस अवेलेबल है. पैनल डिस्कशंस हर जगह हो रहे हैं. लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर फॉर यू. वी हैव गॉट इंस्टीट्यूशंस, वी हैव गॉट फूड, वी हैव गॉट आइटम्स सर्व्ड फॉर एवरीबडी हियर. अगर आप आओगे, विजिट करोगे तो बहुत कुछ लेके जाओगे.
Saroji, being an entrepreneur, what is your suggestion to the upcoming budding entrepreneurs related to this particular field, that's health, wellness and this fitness?
सी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर जो नया एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बन रहे हैं, आप लोगों को सिर्फ अपना फोकस रखना पड़ेगा. एंड लर्निंग never stops. So keep learning. Learning is one step which will take you towards your goals. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Saroji. And we will always be in cafe, and we will always follow cafe's footsteps. Yes. Thank you so much for having me, and thanks to you too. Hello everyone. Now I have a beautiful lady with me. She is Kumit Mitra. She is Wiki Fashion Council President. Hi Kumit ji. So how do you find this Cafe Expo, Career Expo?
Amazingly good, and I always remember that Kavita and Cafe is rocks always. You know, they always do with so much enthu and so much hard work that it's so much fun and so much you come to know when you come to these events. Yes. Your cafe events are beautiful. They rock.
Yeah, actually, absolutely. And like I can see you are so fit. You're looking so healthy. What do you think? How important our health is? Like this cafe event is just it's a special health, fitness, wellness speciality of this event is. So, what do you think? How important our health is in our lives?
Health is the most important thing in the life. I will say it's most important. The first thing I will say कि God क्या चाहिए तो अच्छा health चाहिए.
अच्छा health चाहिए.
Because if you have good health, you can enjoy life.
Yes.
You can travel. You can be with friends. You can have fun. You can do so many things.
Yes.
So
absolutely.
this is the most important, and my life motto is like that only.
Yeah, we can see.
Yes,
we can
yes.
see.
Every day it has to be a yoga or a gym or something.
Nice.
You know, my day is not done if I'm not done that. So yes, most important thing.
Yes.
And I'm so happy that you people picked up this, which is so required now.
Okay.
And with so many, diversified information you keep getting here, there with the social media.
Okay.
And to know actually what is right is most important.
Yes. Thank you so much, Dee. And thanks for coming here.
So Dolly, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
I really had a great time, and I must appreciate the way everybody coordinates and does everything, because starting from the time when I was invited for the lecture and the way I was shared about the questions and just before coming and the previous day, I'm so impressed with the teamwork. And this is something everybody should learn, that how to do something in a proper way and in such an organized way.
Absolutely. What is that one tip that you feel that everybody over here should take away from your session?
We all should make ourselves a priority. As I mentioned, somehow we are doing everything but not realizing that we are not giving sufficient time to ourselves. You do not have to give sufficient time, just 5 minutes in morning and evening. Use the right skin and hair care products, consult the right doctor, maintain a healthy lifestyle, prioritize your sleep and stress. And then
when are you being a part of Career After Family?
now I'm already a part of Career After Family.
Any one message that you would love to give to Kavita and everybody else over here?
See, I must appreciate, I did not know this they do in such a large way and such a organized way. I'm so impressed, and I must say we must have these kind of events more often. More and more people should know about this organization, and we all should be a part of it. Together we should grow.
Yes, I'm so looking forward.
Thank you so much.
Poonam, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
Hi, cafe.
What is that one experience that you're feeling when you're seeing this amazing footfall in the expo?
Experience is something like I can't define in few words. Like since morning from 11 o'clock I'm here in this place. Here and now I can just move my eyes to locate new faces every moment.
Absolutely.
So you can just judge
Yes.
such a good footfall.
Yes, amazing. So what is that one thing that you will say anybody that why they should join cafe?
I think I am no one to say. People are coming to me, honestly. I have 10 names in a list. I want to join cafe who has come as my guest today, and I'm so honored to hear that.
Yes. And what difference have you seen in yourself after joining cafe?
Cafe is a second home to me. It's been 3 years and I have a wonderful and beautiful journey with Vemba Initiative. Being a Vemba mentor, I am loving it. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Hi Radhika.
How's the Josh?
Oh, absolutely strenuous, but then I'm loving it because what we had aimed for and what we had manifested, the way we had planned, it has come into execution and it is running well.
How's that feeling when you're seeing that the expo being a super successful hit event?
This is what we were aiming for because, you know, Radhika, this event we come only once in 2 years. So this vision of ours is always larger than life, and we want the best of things to happen at Expo, especially career oriented for the ladies because that is our main focus. So it is going well, people are really happy, and in this scorching heat also people have made it. So that is like 5 stars to us, thank God.
What is that feeling when you see each and every section, whether it's the people talking on the stage or whether it's the healers or whether it's people selling, and all of them women, and they are doing good, and women are taking back something or the other home, whether it's the experience or whether it's the products. What is that one feeling that comes to mind?
That cafe is doing a stupendous job, and thanks to Kavita Agarwal, the founder, it is because of her hard work and her perseverance that we are all into existence, and we all, even you, are wholeheartedly always there for cafe. So thank you everyone for that.
Absolutely. What is that one thing would you like to send a message to anybody who is planning or thinking to join cafe?
You should come forward. High time. You have given time to your family, your child, your commitments, society. Now do something for your own self, and this is the space. This is your place. Please be a part of cafe, and it is having no registration charges. There are no hidden costs, nothing. Just be a part of it. You will be happy and glad forever.
What is that one thing when comes to your mind when you see someone who has grown over the last 3 to 4 years of cafe's existence?
The growth is immense because from homemakers we have made homepreneurs and who have turned into successful entrepreneurs. So it is a very big milestone for people whom I have been seeing climbing the ladder. Absolutely. So it is a boon for everyone who have taken their steps successfully in their streams. Thank you so much, Radhika. Thank you.
Thank you. It was a task to get you for this interview.
Yes, I know.
Because you are the big boss.
Thank you, as always.
हेलो सो आई हैव रेशा दुजारी विथ मी. शी इज़ अ डाइटिशियन और उन्होंने एक अभी काउंसलिंग सेशन भी यहाँ किया है. तो लेट्स आस्क रेशा उनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा.
Oh, I have had a wonderful experience. इतने लोग, इतनी सारी चीज़ें, सबसे इंटरेक्ट करके, सबको सब कुछ बताकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It feels wonderful.
What is this one thing, रेशा, जो आपको लगा कि एक कोई कॉमन क्वेश्चन था या लोगों को एक कॉमन कन्फ्यूजन था जो आपने क्लैरिफाई किया, जो उनके डेली टिप्स, मतलब डेली टिप्स में जिसे बोल सकती हूँ कि आपने उन्हें दिया कि यू नो विच इज़ ईजी टू फॉलो एंड विच विल चेंज देयर डाइट फॉर द बेटर.
See, since it is very hot, I have been telling everyone to hydrate themselves. So सबसे पहला मिस लोग यही कर जाते हैं कि पानी ही नहीं पीते हैं. You know, water is so essential. It is the most forgotten nutrient, right? तो इतना मतलब लोगों को जब ये पता चलता है कि इतना पानी पीना चाहिए, they are actually surprised because they are not doing that.
And how was your overall experience? Did you attend other sessions because you are doing आपने खुद ने counter लगाया, but did you get the opportunity to see other sessions?
I didn't get. I was moderating one, but I can actually feel the energy. I can really feel the energy. Everybody moving around. It is just wonderful. Just wonderful.
How long you've been associated with Cafe Resha?
It has just been 8 months, and I have gained knowledge and everything so much that I have become a heart. I mean, cafe has become a heart for me rather. It is actually in my heart now.
So as we can see कि सिर्फ 8 मंथ की जर्नी के अंदर रेशा के अंदर इतनी चेंजेस आए हैं एंड शी इज़ फीलिंग सो मच पॉजिटिव. शी हैज़ मेड वंडरफुल फ्रेंड्स आई गेस एंड हर बिजनेस इज ब्लूमिंग. सो ये एक कंप्लीट प्लेटफॉर्म है फॉर ऑल द वुमेन who want to change, form a career for themselves and or uplift their careers. This is a perfect platform to be here. And Health Expo ये एक ऐसा एक्सपो है जो आज चाहे men हो, women हो, children हो, सब के लिए important है. तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये छोटे छोटे टिप्स हम सब फॉलो करें to improve our lifestyle. Thank you.
Thank you,
Resha.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
So we have Sarika Shah with us. She is a psychologist and she has put up a counter over here. So let's see what Sarika has to say about her experience in the expo.
So it is a wonderful experience always being a part of cafe events, and that too for mental health, which is very close to my heart. I feel a healthy mind can carry an unhealthy body, but a healthy body cannot carry a unhealthy mind. But people are just running about after physical health, best superfoods, gym, everything they will do under the earth, sun for physical health, but mental health people do not pay much attention, and it really needs immediate care and attention. If your mind is healthy, your body is also healthy. Thank you.
So आज का समय जहाँ स्ट्रेस बहुत कॉमन हो गया है, बड़ों से लेके बच्चों तक सब स्ट्रेस में ग्रस्त है, तो मेंटल हेल्थ हैज़ बिकम अ प्रायोरिटी एंड इट्स रियली ग्रेट सारिका कि आप मेंटल हेल्थ में डील करते हो. ऐसा आपका कोई एक्सपीरियंस और ऐसी कोई टिप जो आप लोगों से शेयर करना चाहते हो?
The biggest tip I will give to people is self-love. Charity begins at home. So please do love yourself. When your cup is full, then only it will fall and reach others. Before that, we can do nothing for anyone.
So physical health के साथ साथ mental health भी हमने पूरा कवर किया हुआ है इस अपने वंडरफुल एक्सपो में. So thank you Sarika for being with us.
Thank you Sheetal. It's a pleasure being at the expo and looking forward for spreading mental health awareness, the need of the hour. Thank you.
So we have with us Piyush Rathi from Prana Clinic and ये प्राणिक हीलिंग कराते हैं और इनका मिशन है कि कम से कम हर एक घर में एक प्राणिक हीलर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ फिजिकल ही नहीं बल्कि मेंटल, इमोशनल और साइकोलॉजिकल हेल्थ को भी बैलेंस करते हैं. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट पीयूष हैज़ टू से अबाउट हिज वर्क.
हाँ, नमस्ते, माय नेम इज़ पीयूष राठी एंड हम लोग GMCKS प्राणा हीलिंग. प्राणिक हीलिंग एक नो टच नो ड्रग एनर्जी हीलिंग होता है जिसके अंदर में वी कैन हील एनी एलिमेंट में इट बी BP, लाइक फिजिकल में बात करें तो हाइपरटेंशन है, शुगर है, डायबिटीज़, arthritis, any kind of healing. And if we talk about psychotherapy, so we can heal depression, anger, stress, anxiety, hatred. Any kind of healing can be healed through the process of pranic healing.
So आप प्राणिक हीलिंग के कोर्सेज करते हैं और लोग चाहे तो वो इनसे सेशन ले सकते हैं. इसके अलावा आप खुद भी प्राणिक हीलिंग सीख के उसको अपने घर वालों पर, अपने फैमिली, अपने फ्रेंड्स, अपने रिलेटिव्स पे इम्प्लाई कर सकते हैं. मैं ये सब इतनी चीज़ें कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं खुद एक प्राणिक हीलर हूँ. हमने साथ में सीखा था एंड इट्स अ वंडरफुल थिंग. और ये आपके सिर्फ फिजिकल नहीं, मेंटल, इमोशनल, साइकोलॉजिकल सारे हेल्थ को बैलेंस करता है बहुत अच्छे से. एंड वी आर रियली ग्लैड टू हैव यू हियर पीयूष. एंड वी आर एंड वी आर ग्लैड. एंड अगर किसी को कोर्सेज करने में इंटरेस्ट हो तो वो पीयूष के काउंटर पे जा सकते हैं. पीयूष से दे कैन गेट इन टच विथ हिम एंड ही कैन गाइड देम अहेड फर्दर फ्रॉम हियर. थैंक यू सो मच पीयूष. So hi, I have Chandana Datta with me. She is a dietitian and ये जानती हैं कि importance of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle in today's time. So Chandana बताइए आपको हमारा ये expo कैसा लगा?
It's superb, and I would say that in Kolkata, an expo like this, having eminent doctors, such good brands out here, I think it's a superb work done by Kavita ji. Hats off to her and her entire team who's been taking care of this for months. We are here only today to just see the brilliance of all the things, but her mastermind is behind all of this.
So चंदना, आप हमें बताइए कि आपको इसमें क्या चीज़ लगी जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा कि यू नो कि दिस इज़ समथिंग जो डे टू डे लाइफ में ज़रूरी है सबके लिए और ये सबको पता होना चाहिए. ऐसा कौन सा काउंटर आपको बहुत अपील किया, बीइंग अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट योरसेल्फ?
See, more than looking into the counters, I would say the panel discussions were really important because we are layman. We don't know the actual theory behind things, and when we go to meet a doctor or anything allied with the doctor, we come with our problem, but there are so many questions which keep on piling in our minds, that which is related with other things also, many things, many questions. So these panel discussions, I think they are superb because you can actually ask directly the doctors and the other panelists, and you get a very good view, like you understand the real scientific things behind it. So I think that clearing our doubts and getting to know the actual things behind any disease or any kind of things related with nutrition, food, I think that's a very brilliant idea of the panel discussion.
So you meant to say कि जो चीज़ें normally हम लोग डॉक्टर्स को नहीं पूछ पाते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग अपने पर्सनल कंसर्न में रहते हैं, तो ये एक जनरल अवेयरनेस फैलाने के लिए, स्प्रेड करने के लिए ये एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ थी. और ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो आपको लगे कि दिस कुड हैव बीन इम्प्रूव्ड और दिस कुड हैव बीन बेटर, तो योर सजेशन विल बी मोस्ट वेलकम.
So I think that many things are covered. It's the skin therapy, hair therapy, doctors, dietitians, food related stalls are there where you are getting healthy food. I think major thing is absolutely covered in the expo. There's nothing that this could be better or that could be better. So I feel that all the aspects which we require in a health expo is totally fulfilled in this cafe health expo. I think it's just superb.
Thank you so much Kavita. आप खुद एक न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हो and coming from you this means a lot to us. Thank you so much for being here. Hi, so I have Archana Damani with me and वो अपना खुद का प्री स्कूल चलाती हैं. अर्चना टोटली अंडरस्टैंड्स कि आज के समय में इतने हेक्टिक शेड्यूल्स में हेल्थ और वेलनेस की इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है. तो अर्चना, आपको ये टॉपिक कैसा लगा जिस पे हमने ये एक्सपो लगाया है?
ऑनेस्टली बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आज के टाइम पे डेली के भागदौड़ में हम अपना ध्यान रखना भूल जाते हैं. सो दिस एक्सपो इज़ मोर ऑफ एन आई ओपनर from various talks to the organic products. I think there is something for everybody and it is very important.
So how did you come to know about cafe and how did you come to know about this expo?
Fortunately, a lot of women I know in my life are associated with this cafe, including you. So, I have been seeing all of you on Instagram working really hard with this cafe. So, that is what made me come today. Yeah.
So, you still not explored the full cafe expo yet. So we wish you all the best and we would welcome you with some suggestions. If you would come forward to us with this, then please get back to us and we are open to your suggestions.
Absolutely.
And we welcome you here, Archana.
Thank you. Tanya, welcome to Career After Family Health and Wellness Expo. How's the Josh?
Thank you. The Josh is really, really high.
How was your first experience being over here as an all-woman expo?
No, absolutely loved it. I think it's one of my best experiences. Like I've been sharing with everybody over here, love the community that you guys have built. Absolutely. And the community feels like family. I feel like part of the family. So absolutely enjoyed my time here.
What is that one thing that you would like everybody to take away from your session?
I'll tell you what I am taking away from today's day first.
Amazing.
Right, what I'm taking away is the power of women supporting each other and women standing together. That's my takeaway for today.
Absolutely.
One thing for people to take away, I've spoken about so much now, I'd say just surrender. Bhai, just go with the flow.
Okay, and any message to Kavita and the entire team who have organized this?
Absolutely. You guys have done a fabulous job. I feel proud to be part of this today because, again, like I said, this is a fantastic community that you've built. Every single member I've interacted with today was absolutely heartwarming. So kudos to both of you, or to all of you.
So Tanya, thank you so much for taking out time for us. It was a privilege attending your session, and yes, we have taken a lot of tips from yours. Thank you so much.
So I have with me now Shubhi Tandon, the coordinator of Miranda House. So Shubhi, आप बताइए आपको ये एक्सपो कैसा लगा और ये पूरे इवेंट के बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहती हैं?
This is a wonderful event and I'm here since 11:30 in the morning and I'm still not tired. So many workshops happening, such lovely panel discussions. Most importantly, the tribe is mine. And you know, you interact and gel with people who are so positive. So there's so much to learn and I'm having a blast today.
So शुभी, आपको क्या लगता है कि आज के समय में हेल्थ और वेलनेस, ये जो टॉपिक हम लोगों ने चूज़ किया है आज के एक्सपो के लिए, उसकी क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है और वो कितना ज़रूरी है?
एट अ टाइम जब हम डॉक्टरों के चक्कर पे चक्कर लगाते हैं, उस समय अगर हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस के ऊपर एक एंटायर डे का प्रोग्राम हो तो उससे बेहतर कोई बात हो ही नहीं सकती है. आप बाहर देखिए, गर्मी से लोग सफ़र कर रहे हैं, कहीं और जाइए तो वेरियस मल्टीपल हेल्थ इश्यूज़. तो यहाँ पे प्राणिक हीलिंग से लेकर एक्यूप्रेशर से लेकर मेंटल हेल्थ काउंसलिंग टू योगा टू अदर जनरल डॉक्टर्स, स्पेशलिस्ट, यू नो, सारे डॉक्टर्स के एडवाइस लेके अगर हम आगे बढ़ें तो शायद हमको इन डॉक्टरों के चक्कर कम लगाने पड़ेंगे और हमारी लाइफ मच बेटर हो जाएगी. तो दिस इज़ अ मच नीडेड टॉपिक कवर्ड टुडे एंड सो ब्यूटिफुली. हर चीज़ को बारीकी से कवर किया गया है. कोई भी ऐसा एंगल मुझे नहीं लगता है मिस कर दिया गया है, चाहे विमेन हेल्थ हो, चाहे चाइल्ड हेल्थ हो. एवरीथिंग हैज़ बीन कवर्ड ब्यूटिफुली.
तो सिर्फ एलोपैथिक ही नहीं, होम्योपैथिक, बाच फ्लावर रेमेडी, मेंटल हेल्थ के ऊपर, साइकोलॉजी के ऊपर, ऑल्टरनेटिव हीलिंग्स के ऊपर भी हमने बहुत सारे टेबल्स लगाए हैं, काउंसलिंग किए हैं और इस तरीके से आप बहुत तरीक़ों से अपने हेल्थ का ध्यान रख सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू शुभी फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ कैफ़े. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ द एक्सपो.
A very good evening everyone. So today we have Mr. Pranav Bedi with us who doesn't need any introduction. So sir, आप हमें अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताइए एंड अपना आपके ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप के बारे में जो अभी अपकमिंग आने वाला है हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए.
थैंक यू रूबी, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी हियर. अब आप सब जानते हैं कि जनरल इलेक्शंस ऑन हैं और समर टाइम भी ऑन है और ये दोनों ही रीजंस हैं ब्लड की शॉर्टेज की. वेदर इनकन्सिस्टेंट है, वेदर इनकन्वीनियंट है, लोग बाहर निकल के ब्लड डोनेट नहीं करना चाहते, लेकिन ये ज़रूरी भी है. अगर आप ब्लड डोनेट करेंगे तो ही शायद हॉस्पिटल में वो पड़ा हुआ पेशेंट मे बी he'll have a fighting chance at life because of the little effort that you make. So 15 minutes of your time and voila, you end up saving not one, not two, but 3 lives. So this Sunday, 5th of May at Bhawanipur College, सुबह 9 बजे से शाम 5 बजे तक हम आपका इंतज़ार करेंगे. Please be there.
Thank you so much sir. I believe this is one of the best opportunity we cannot miss as a human being and add a more good karma in our pocket. So I will just connect with Mr. Bedi and मैं तो जा रही हूँ, क्या आप आ रहे हो? तो let's all connect with him. Thank you so much. Thank you sir.
So ma'am, welcome to the expo. And how was your experience and how's the Josh?
See, if I'm staying back till so long, I had just come for my talk, which was at 3, but I stayed back till 6:30. I have to leave for an emergency right now. Because I would have loved to stay back till 8. And it's mind-boggling that we have such a good expo about health and awareness that people require it. And we have covered, I think, everything from eye to heart to kidney to retina. Everything has been covered, which is amazing. Under one roof, getting everything. And plus, it's very refreshing because you come to know about different things that is happening. You meet your colleagues. We always look forward to meeting each other. And it has been done very nicely. The whole expanded thing that is there is amazing. Also, the exhibitions that have been put is really good.
Ma'am, one tip that you would like to tell all the women out here? Anything that you would like them to take away from your session?
So from my I'm a LASIK specialist. So the tip that I would suggest everybody is please get an eye checkup done once a year by an eye doctor. Not just going to the optical shop and getting a glasses, which is very, very important because eye just is not about the power or cataract, it is a lot more than that.
Anything else that you would like to send a message to the entire Career After Family entire unit?
Okay. So yes, I would want to thank Career After Family. It's such a good initiative in Calcutta. I think this is the first time that I am attending such a huge expo, and they have done a phenomenal job. I would always wish them all the best and kudos to everything that they do.
Are we looking forward to you becoming a member of Career After Family?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for having me.
Welcome Meenu to Career After Family Health and Expo. How's the Josh?
Hi ma'am.
How was the experience today?
Super. Fabulous.
And what was that one thing that you saw with all the members who were attending your session and they came into your stall and they met you? What was the common thing that you saw?
For me, I saw the passion, the warmth, the way they hugged me and they were just there. They did not mind the heat, they did not mind the queue, they were waiting to meet me and get the assessment done as well. So my team Food and Wellness is there today.
I have
to
not
do the
done
assessment. They are waiting for you. They will not wrap up till you are there.
Yes. So what is that you have been with Career After Family from the beginning? What journey have you seen with the other members? We have seen you grow from strength to strength. What other members have you seen? What is that experience that you feel that Career After Family is bringing to you?
I feel, as you said, from the beginning, if I see, now the women are so confident. They have started their own career, they have learned so many skills, and now they are applying those skills in building up their own business. And these ladies, if I recall those 2.5 years ago's time, now that time and now, they are way more strong. They are the perfect entrepreneurs now. And the new members, I would like to spread the message. Just give your commitment and some bit of your time. Cafe will help you to achieve all your dreams.
Amazing. I'm so proud of you. It's amazing. One tip that you would like to give to everybody from your diet and from everybody, all the women out there, what's one tip that we should take away?
Today, standing here at Health and Wellness Expo, my tip to everybody, whoever is the listener or the viewer today, don't take your health for granted. Take proper step. Follow your food, your diet, a healthy eating habit on a regular basis, and learn to do exercise on a routine manner. Health is the ultimate goal, and maintaining good health should be everyone's motto.